Alright, you guys, welcome to Muzeon at Park where there's a lot of different arts, and we're gonna take a ride and go through it. So guys, if you're new to the channel, push like. We are going in and check out Muzeon Park in Park of Arts in Moscow. I'm a foreigner traveling to Russia, and I show you real Russia. So guys, we are heading in. On the other side, we can see Gorky Park entrance, which I filmed. Go check out my channel. And this here, guys, is the beginning of Muzeon. So you do have a lot of artwork here. This video is about just going past this beautiful park over here. All right, let's see what we have here. This is the area right now. You have all kinds of artworks on the left on different routes. Adoration of the Magi. All right, and this is also in English, which is very nice. This is Caucasian granite, just some work. Let's see where we end up. I want to see the Soviet leaders. Wow, it's a beautiful park, by the way. Here's some artwork out of a rider from 1990, metal. Check this out. In the back, there's a beautiful artwork of a Red Army statue. Wow. All right, so there's artwork all around. We're not gonna go through, we're gonna go through this main street now. I made a operative decision. This one is First Swallows, 1964. This is bronze work. We're now on the right path. Wow, this one is awesome. This is a two-time hero of the Soviet Union, Stepan Suprun. 1982, by the way, that was bronze work. Absolutely beautiful. No one is forgotten, nothing is forgotten. 1985, copper. Wow, I like this. This is a Song of Peace artwork by Kremneva, 1987, aluminum. Check out, this is Twardowski, 1987, aluminum. Wow. Warm Me Up, 1980s, bronze. And along this beautiful park, you can see also in the back, Требуем мира, we demand peace, right there. Very beautiful Soviet artwork. I'm afraid it's a bit, I have to walk on the, I guess I could walk there, but I just use the zoom for you guys. This is Saint George the Victorious, 2010, and bronze work. And here is Dzerzhinsky, guys. Wow, everything is monumental in Russia. Oh wow. So there's a lot of artworks brought in, scattered around the park. Plashatka Nova side is up front, all right. Here is Stalin Zhukashvili, Yosif Vissarionovich. The sculptor launched his work on this image in 1930 with creating granite bust. And I guess you cannot walk there because there would be no grass anymore. In the memory of victims of Stalinist repressions, 1990s. Oh my God. Girl with a jug, it says. 1997. "1998 Games with Bowl" is called this one here. This is Tree of Life. Wow. Dolomite. This is a limestone work. Simply beautiful, guys. You can spend a long time just looking at these. Most of these here are brand from the 90s and onwards, it seems. This caught my eye, by the way. Way of the Cross, limestone work. Patriarch Tikhon of Moscow, 97. Basil the Blessed. And let's go through this. I think this is the next pathway, is something that I've especially been waiting for to see. This is that I wanted to see. So check it out. Welcome to Muzeon at the Park. This is Merkurov VI Lenin, 1939 granite work. We're gonna go through these. Karl Marx, 39 granite. We have some leaders of the Soviet Union here. Portrait of Brezhnev, 1970s marble. Here a concert going on, guys. There's events all around. Brezhnev, Lenin Brezhnev, 1981 marble work. Oh my God, this is epic. I love this place. This is portrait of Kosygin, 1970s. You got a Lenin over there, Lenin over here. And of course you got Stalin over here, 1947 marble. SSR. And 82 marble work of Lenin. Wow, and look at this. Please do not climb this sculpture. This is amazing. All right, guys, this was Muzeon at the Park, Moscow. This is Igor in Russia, and I'm sharing the Russian reality, Russian world with you guys. Subscribe to the channel, push like, support me with super chats to buy me coffee or PayPal. See you guys in the next episode when Igor in Russia returns. Bye-bye, y'all.